美国总统川普原底是按算伫咧月底 APEC 会议进前，先甲中国国家主席习近平会谈。不过，煞因为中国车教向讲要扩大关税稀土的出口，这川普就宣布为11月开始，要对中国的商品加扣100%的关税，嘛讲可能袂甲习近平见面。不过后来，互媒体采访的时阵，伊煞搁改喙，讲无取消会谈。这两个人到底敢会见面，大家嘛是等咧看。
APEC 亚太经济合作会议预计11月初1伫韩国庆祝举行。美国总统川普预计这个月底甲中国国家主席习近平就出席 APEC 会议，甲习近平进行会晤会。不过，伊伫美东时间初十，突然伫社群平台正式社群发文，表示中国伫初九宣布新的稀土出口限制措施，要求外国企业为12月初1开始爱出地特别许可，才会当出口，也佫禁止甲军事用途相关的产品出口。因为这是中国早伫私底下趁机会采取甲全球敌对贸易政策，以限制稀土出口来威胁全球经济。对此，伊也伫发文中宣布，会为11月初1开始对中国商品另外加扣100%关税。
We were just surprised that China have a very good relationship with President Xi, and they did that. This is not something that I, instigated. This was just a response to something that they did, and they didn't really aim it at us. They aimed it at the whole world.
那增加关税，川普也表态，已经无理由搁甲习近平进行会谈。也毋过面对记者采访的时，川普搁改讲无取消全席会谈。
Just want to confirm, have you canceled your meeting with President Xi? And
no, I haven't canceled, but I don't know that we're going to have it. But I'm going to be there regardless, so I would assume we might have it.
除了一般商品关税为11月初1开始，美国也会对所有关键软体实施出口管制措施。佮强调，那中国有进一步的行动，美国可能会提前实施加扣关税时间。公司新闻，陈时东编译。